Let's learn how to create an article with Choicely. Go to Articles on the left side menu, click Create Article on the top right. On the top left, you can choose to use a ready-made article template and build on top of it. This is very handy if you've already created an article and want other articles to look the same. You can also start from scratch. On the top left of the screen, add an image and a title for the article. Then choose the building blocks of your article and drag those into the middle part of the screen. On the right side, you can edit the content inside the blocks you've added. Note also the Styles tab on the top right. Switch to Thumbnail on the left, and you can create the thumbnail of the article. It shows in the content feeds. Save the article or save it as template if you want to reuse the same format later. And that's how you create articles with Choicely.